Hey, what's up, it's your boy Willie T with Any3. We back with another video, and today we back at it, like a crack at it. We in there. Your boy got the curry locks today, man. As y'all can see, man, we had to got there and take the girls out. Anyway, back at it, like a crack at it. Building Toyota Supra in 10 minutes. Yeah, we on a Supra. We on that Mark 5.
Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I built this Supra from start to finish. The catch is, I only have 10 minutes to do it. So drop a like on the video, because it's going to be a pain to edit.
What's up, guys? It's currently 4:12 in the morning.
Damn.
My dad and my brother are gonna go up to North Carolina because my brother is getting some today. So.
Wait, what?
So we're here. We're at the Toyota dealership in Greenville, North Carolina. Never heard of this place a day.
Have y'all ever been to Greenville, North? If y'all from Greenville, North Carolina, tap in. Ever been there? Let me know. I ain't been to no damn Greenville. I've been to Charlotte. And, yeah.
My life.
Sheesh.
What's up, folks? We out here in North Carolina.
Whoa. Are they from Jersey? Why his dad like you from, like, what's that show? That's Jersey Shore? Am I tripping? Is that racist? That's not racist. He look like, yeah.
Hours to go pick up.
My fault. I ain't talking shit about your father, man. He's like a nice guy. Cool dude. What was that? Alright.
Don't know what it's gonna be yet. Might just get a Prius. So see you inside. So yeah, I got the car. I was super excited. I walked out the dealership paying around 55 grand, and the car had around 200 miles on it. So it was basically brand new. Now it didn't take long at all for me to do my first mod. The first mod that actually came in was my exhaust. Now this was an FI exhaust. It sounded amazing, and it even looked great. I mean, like, they even put my name on it. Second thing we did, we got in.
Okay, where are people getting these custom exhausts with their names on it? I need that next. Somebody tell me, please.
Lowered. We actually put on some lowering springs just so it could sit a little bit lower. And the
Good
third
choice.
mod, well, it was a tune.
Welcome. I'm actually here down at Unit 12 motor. We're about to get it tuned right now. We're gonna see what our
Hot take. A lot of people believe that Toyota never made the Mark 5 Supra because it's a BMW. And what he just said and what he just did, he went exhaust, lowering springs, tune. Who do those three things first? I'm not. Y'all know the answer. I ain't even gotta say it.
tuner can do.
BMW.
Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. Holy fucking insane, bro. It's so loud.
And after this was all done, we sent the car over to Car Effects to put on some ground effects, spoiler, and, well, we ordered rims through them as well. And it came out looking like this.
Dude, yo, I'm taking this out, dude.
No, you are not.
As you can see, we put the lip kit, the rear diffuser on, side skirts, front lip, the Street Hunters. The Street Hunters kit is like the best kit.
I got it tuned and I didn't even get to drive. I don't know if I said it, but we also have underglow.
You satisfied?
Wow.
I think I got hard when I seen it. Not gonna lie. Got a stiffy.
What do you mean by that?
But I wasn't done yet on the exterior mods. One thing I hated about the Supra was the stock hood. I feel the stock hood on the Supra looks hideous. I mean, look at it. What is that? So to fix this issue, I ordered a brand new hood from Varus, Japan. And it took well over 8 months for this hood to come in. It was full carbon fiber when I first got it. And, well, we paint matched it because I felt it would have looked goofy if I just left the whole thing carbon fiber. But the build wasn't done because after I got the hood, I realized, you know what?
He bought a full carbon fiber hood and paint matched it. You should have just bought the hood and just wrapped it Never mind.
Pipe and tune. It's a lot of
I'm
boring.
broke, boy.
It's slow. So what did I do? I went to E50.
I'm just recording for a school project. Do you want to be in it? You know I drove 30 minutes just to see you? 30 minutes just to see you. Say we're getting the juice. Yeah. This is the juice now that it's on E85? Yeah.
Sheesh.
Woo! I have a feeling you're gonna get us pulled over today, Dad.
That point, kicks you back. I know, it kind of fall off.
Yeah, but now it doesn't.
Third or fourth gear kind of fall off.
And now it goes to 6th gear and then it falls off.
And yeah, I had my fun on E50 for a while. Looking good, running good, and running people's lives out. I mean, I was out racing everyone. I can't lie, the setup was amazing. But you know, I got used to it, and I realized it was still slow. So I hit the web looking for upgrades.
What is
Wasted
slow?
no time. I ordered probably about 10 things in one night. My bank account was hurting. I ordered a hybrid turbo, ordered a missing headlight, open air intake, well.
How much money do you have to buy 10 things that are all around $1,000 each? I'm just saying, your bank account was not hurting, brother. You did this. You did this.
A charge pipe, got port injection, low pressure fuel pump. I mean, everything you could think of to put my Supra at 700 wheels.
What?
So, it was time to start the process again. But this time, going for power, not aesthetic looks. So we went ahead, threw my car on the lift, started getting right to work on it by taking off simple bolt-ons first, and then, of course, the stock turbo we took off. You know, it was a big deal for me.
Oh, that turbo. This was that turbo that was putting everyone to fucking sleep. This stock ass
Damn.
turbo. Remember it, motherfucker.
And we also took off the stock intake manifold, just so we could slide up the port injection in there for the fueling. And with that being said, all we have to do now is wait for the parts. Now, the parts came in pretty quickly. Some of them took longer than others, so it was kind of a process. We slid the port injection plate on. It was pretty self-explanatory. Other than we had to do our own custom fittings, which was kind of weird. Their fittings didn't work, so we maneuvered around it. We got it to work. Second thing to show up was the open air intake, which was huge for the next part that came in. The missing headlight.
Yes.
Holy grail. I think the missing headlight is what makes the car. Some people don't like it,
Yes.
some people do. So we threw that in, and it looked amazing. I fell in love with it.
Okay, I was gonna bring this up earlier, but like at first I'm like, y'all probably gonna clown him for like not doing like the mods, like not doing the wheels, in the kit, and the spoiler and shit. And I was gonna talk about that, but then like he kind of just shitted on y'all because he's doing all the engine modifications. Probably he's doing it. I think he's doing it. People gonna be hating anyway. But yeah, you can't say he's not a real car enthusiast. He's actually working on the engine work.
Right away. The third thing to come in, the low pressure fuel pump. And boy, did we have an adventure with that. The next thing that came in was, of course, the turbo, the good old pure turbo. Now, I will say exactly what pure turbo it is now, since it's blown, you know. The turbo was a pure 850. Turbo, of what I read up on, can max out at 800 wheel. The built trans. So, you know, I was really excited to get this turbo. With that being said, we got right to work on the turbo. Turbo was easy as could be. Then we threw on the FTP charge pipe that came in the day after that. And that was the finishing factor. The only thing left.
Speaking of y'all watching this, I have some M54 Go Fast parts. I have some coder intake cones, charge pipe. I have a charge pipe and inlets and outlets, I think. I don't know. But yeah, hit me up if y'all interested. Y'all probably wouldn't be if you're watching the Total Super. Y'all probably got a B58. But it's for M54. Y'all know somebody M54. I got some fast parts for you.
To do now was to tune the car. I got a remote tune by my boy Alpha, shout out to him. And with that bass tune being sent to me, it was time to start up the car for the very first time.
Yeah, but first a quick word from our sponsor.
Have you guys ever wanted to buy a car part or just wanted some extra money in your PayPal?
This
Let me tell you
long
about free cash.
from
Most of you guys probably
5:30,
already know.
bro. From 5:30 to 6:40. Yeah, nah, bro. Skipping that, dude.
Program.
Go ahead.
Oh shit.
And with the car being started, the master mechanic checked for leaks while I checked for codes. Bro got on the ground and everything, not really sure why he did all of that. But hey, I was just praying that the car
You
wasn't
gotta make sure it's not leaking. What you mean?
leaking.
I'm praying.
How's it looking under there, soldier? Any leaks?
Not yet.
He's smiling. It's a mechanic.
As you can tell, we got rid of the
He's a
20-inch
mechanic.
wheels and we said,
Oh.
we're going full race car mode. We have got some 18x5 Weld S197 skinnies in the front end. Also, we have got some fat ass 17x10 305 45x17 street SS's. So a fat ass tire. It's been doing well with keeping the traction down.
So when was the last time you were in this type of car?
Since the last time I was in it, before you got the turbo and all that good stuff.
I know that motherfucker crazy. I know that motherfucker crazy. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, know that shit crazy. Damn, I need me one for real. Help me get to 4,000 watch hours so we can run it up and get a Supra. Let's do it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bing.
Oh yeah.
Sheesh.
All right, let's do a little 40.
Bruh, y'all see? Y'all know that shit twerking. Y'all know that shit twerking? Cause, bruh, their whole body moves like they lost gravity, bro. That's how you know that shit moving, bro. Just look, bro. They just lift.
All right, let's do a little 40.
They be like, watch this. Look at that.
That fucking turbo hits, boy.
Yes, sir. That was beautiful.
Damn.
I was like, eh, it's the on ramp. There's no one here, so let's just do a little something.
Sheesh. Look how fast he's passing those cars.
Damn. That motherfucker gets it.
That was fourth gear too, so I was just easing into
Dude,
it.
yo, holy fuck. World of difference, dude.
Right?
Holy shit. And it's hot as now.
Stock motor, stock trans.
Wow. It's badass. I'm thinking about buying one instead of building mine.
So rate the ride.
Crazy.
10? You like that? It could be faster, for sure.
And that's exactly what it's about to be. A whole lot faster.
So all y'all folks that chase speed, bro. What's the purpose? What's the reason? I try to be a fast boy. I barely got to 400 horsepower, and I'm like, you know, it's really not worth it for me. The money, bro. You know how much money you gotta spend to be fast? And then once you get fast, you want to be faster. And then you want to get fat, bro. Like, where this? Fuck no, dude. These are like 20K in his
I
car.
can admit wholeheartedly that I have an addiction to this. Like,
Okay.
a really bad one.
That's the answer. Addiction, I guess. But god damn it. Go buy. At that point, just go buy a motorcycle, bro. You want to be that fucking fast, go get you a 1 liter bike, bro. You would save so much money. 1 liter bike about 15,000. And you're going fast. You're going to the fucking moon, dude. Like, that's all you need. If you got that much of an addiction, bro, get on one of them bitches, go 180, 200, and then maybe you'll be good.
And it's a really expensive one as well. And in my case, that's exactly what happened. Let's just say I was racing a little bit too much on the Period 50 when I wasn't really supposed to, and the turbo seals blew. So now the build continues. And you guys may be asking, well, what else can you do to this car? Trust me. There's a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching the 10-minute build of this big turbo Supra
Wow.
from start to finish. I really appreciate it. And if you guys could just do me a favor by smashing a like, because I've literally been
Do
up
that.
for 24 hours straight. So please. And with that being said, it's gonna wrap up the video. Make sure you guys do stay tuned for the next one, because not only are we putting in the big turbo in this car, the merch is dropping as well. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next week.
I wish I could do that, but I can't. I'm too far away from the camera. Too far away from the camera, but damn. That shit ended up being clean as fuck, bro. But it's like, you gotta think about that B58, though. That shit is fire. That shit is fire. Gotta love B58s, man. Gotta love the BMWs, bro. Hot take, what do y'all think, man? Did Toyota actually come out with the new Supra, or did they just build a BMW and slap the Toyota badge on it? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's come on now. Interiors, damn near BMW. Drivetrain is what BMW. Transmission, engines, BMW. I think Toyota fixed, like, Toyota, they modified something in the BMW engine. I forgot what it was. Fuck, they did the same thing in the goddamn in this Toyota FRS. So yeah, Toyota's just out here. Toyota is out here doing collabs to make everybody's car $10 better than what it was. So we rock with Toyota for that. What am I saying? Why am I shit out of focus? There we go. They don't never want to put me for. Anyway, that's the end of the video, man. Hold on. Now I'm just yapping. If y'all make it to the end of these videos, I appreciate y'all. And if y'all make it to the end of the videos, y'all know I just be yapping. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, appreciate y'all, man. We're on the road to 15K. We almost at 11K. We'll probably be at 11K by the time y'all watch this video. Appreciate all y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. Leave out in the comments what car you want me to, or what video or car you want me to react to next. I gotta do some American Muscle. Did I not do SS? I gotta do some American Muscle maybe. But yeah, we did some JDM. This is a German JDM / type beat. But I rocked with y'all. How y'all watching me? Y'all made it to the end. Make sure y'all let me know I made it to the end because we locked in twin. And at the end of the day, if you ain't got you one, you better get you one. No, that's wrong. One take Drake, that's all we doing. I got you one to get you one. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one. Cut down, give me one. If I get mine for you get yours, I'ma tear the city up. For real. Alright, y'all. We out.